Okay, today I'm going to show you how to share your budget to other people. So I will click on the monthly budget. So right here in the share, I would go to advance. So right now, in order to share it or whatever like that, right now it's private. So I will press change. And I would press anyone with the link, or I could do it public on the web. So if I press public on the web, I really don't have to link anybody to it. It's just the fact that if somebody maybe look up my monthly budget or annual budget and it happen to fit their search, engine or whatever, it will pop up. So anybody can really access it on the public web. Now, if I put anyone with the link, then I would have to link it to somebody or share it with somebody or anything of that matter or whatever like that. So I would just press on, save. So then I will also invite more people right here. So yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. You can share via Gmail, Facebook, Twitter. You could copy this link right here and you can share it with others. So yeah, this is how you would share your monthly budget to other people. Thank you.